Invited by my lady next to me. Njengoba niyibona-ke imishini yonke le ngaze ngayiveza nje siyibuke imishini enizoyisebenzisa. I've explained to you guys ukuthi this is a training. That is number one. Number two, la kule training we don't have insurance. If you injure yourself, Tina, we are paying you. We don't pay you. We play careful because we don't have any money, zero bank account. Because that's why we are saying, akekho ozokhokha. Tina, we are going to deal with your electricity, amanzi, ukusebenza kwalezi zinto zonke, but there is nothing ekuthiwa umuntu uzoyikhokha. Niyamthola? Into esizofika la isizokhokha khona mase sizoqeda i-course bese siyaqala-ke sesizojani sikhokhela-ke manje ilento lena i-certificate lesi sizosithola. Kufanele siyoprintwa, kufanele nani nigqoke amajazi enu, kufanele nani futhi niphathe iy'tifiketi zenu ngesandla. This is serious, I'm telling you, very serious. Sifuna ukukhipha la u-champagne walento lena esizoyenza. Niyamthola mbethi? And when you go further than this, la nizofunda imishini ewu-5, angithi mina my lady, 5 machines that they are going to learn.
Yeah, it's up to them. How
Yeah.
fast they learn in
Yeah.
5 weeks.
Five machines in 5 weeks, from Monday to Thursday, Friday. Oh, okay. Well, okay, Monday to Friday is fine. I thought it's Monday to Thursday, but it's Monday to Friday. It's okay. But what we are trying to say, the opportunity is in your hands. I say, to me, angifisi kube khona umuntu ozothi akanayo imali yokuza ukufunda mahala. Angithi go cela wonke umuntu ongakulekelela to support you, hayi us. Phatha isikhaftini sakho usivule wedwa la uzosivula khona ngoba we don't have anything. Tell me what you can do. I don't know. Do you have any tea something? Yeah, around.
No, they sell at the shop there.
Oh, sure. So, guys, everybody, you look for after yourself. We are posing, juicy, it's all about that. Sizoba nabo abantu abazonivizitha as yabo siqhubeka ama-companies, factories as sizoyi-advertise lento bazolokhu njalo befika nabo bezonibona babone ukuthi which machines eniwenzayo and all that. Fortunately, there is a lot that we are going to talk about with me and with us as MK Labour Desk and Sanfosa with Udadewethu after this. Because silindele ukuthi maniphuma la akekho ozofuna umsebenzi uzowufica usulindile ngaphandle enizowusebenza. You understand? Because that's what we want. Sukela niyosebenza. Ngicela ke nibambelele kulokhu bafowethu. Nenzele thina makuwukuthi anikwazi ukwenzela nini. Nenzele thina igama lethu ukuthi igama lethu ungasho ukuthi sathatha izingane saqhamba amanga sathi siyaboyifundisa zagcina ingafundanga angithi. So mina ngicela lokho nje bafowethu ningasenzisi abaqhamba amanga, but be careful ukuthi la njengoba sila we are here all ngoba sifuna uplifta our own people in South Africa. Kungasetshenziswa ama-foreigners instead of us. Angithi silapha. Asikwazi ukuwakhipha ama-foreigners singenaso iskill. Kufanele sibe ne-skill ukuze sikwazi ukukhipha ama-foreigners. Without a skill, singayihambe sibhampa yonke le ndlela, then there is nothing that we can do. Namthola. Niyangithembisa ukuthi kulo 5 weeks makukhona nje indoda bangisicefe in your life uyitshele lalela ke Sipho udluke eduze wami because this is my future. You understand? This is my future. Mawubona nje ngoba ngeSipho mawuzosondela kimi uzongiprovide ngemali yokuyahamba ngesikole. Yabo? Yeah. Then after that, bangani bami, we will be fine. We will come and say to you, and ngizobona, with graduation mina ngifuna sibe la. Yezwa lo sibe kulento le ubonakala ukuthi laba abantu they can do a lot of things. A lot of things. And there are CMTs that are coming. We understand. Abafuna ukuzosinika umsebenzi, giving us some piece of work. But this is a good thing. We discussed the advertiser, there was a lot of appreciation from the community. That actually this was supposed to be done long time ago. Yes or not? Even Ubabu Ngamalala also appreciated you guys with what you did. One day he will come and have a stop here to come and thank you in person for what you did about our people. About that one is a wait from Ubabu Ngamalala ukuthi into esiyenzela abantu bakithi is more than ubafunela umsebenzi, because ufuna looking for the job and provide the skill to the person. You are saying even if you don't look for the job, but the job is looking for you. You understand? But if awukho skillful, then you are doomed and done. Actually, you can come today, we can fight for you today, saying, hey, these are our people, put them at work. They come at work, there's nothing that they can do. There's no miracles when it comes to skills. You have to learn it. So that's why this is an August month. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate yourself. In the Women's Month, explore our knowledge. And after this fight, Baba Fred, we are going to learn more because it's living a champion. The champion. But I say, first class was the good day, first class when it was sharp. So thank you so much for allowing us to do this. Official. No, thank you so much.